A year ago, you have a bittersweet birthday. You might be smiling and grinning, but deep inside, I know you're sad. It was hard to say goodbye in time of your birthday. Yet, here we are again, saying hello happily on this year's celebration of your special day. I know you're happy and grateful, Ate Cathy. So, let's just enjoy and cherish the moments of being together once again. Cheers to more memories and happy birthday, Ate Cathy.
It all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Happy birthday to Ma'am Kat and Ma'am Leslie. Cheers to another years of happiness and memories. God bless you always, both of you.
Konnichiwa from Tokyo Disney Sea! Happy birthday, Kat Kat! Woohoo!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Kat, Ate Leslie. Ayan, sana enjoy nyo yung special day nyo. Ayan, kay Ma'am Kat, thank you sa pagiging nanay mo sa aming mga bata. Mga bata. Ayun, stay healthy and pretty. Thank you sa pagiging mabait nyo sa amin ni Kuya Roy. Tsaka sa pagiging maalaga sa lahat ng mga groupmates natin, teammates. Ayan.
Happy birthday, Ate Kat!
Happy birthday!
Thank you for checking on us always and ipagpatuloy lang natin yung pagmamarites habang madami
Happy birthday,
tayo. Happy birthday again!
Happy birthday, Tita Kat. I miss you so much, so much, so much, so much.
Hello, Ate Cathy, Ate Leslie. Happy birthday. I hope both of you are healthy and happy. So, I hope magkita-kita tayo sa Pinas soon. I miss you both so much. And, yun. I hope happy lang lahat. Love you both.
Hello, Ate Kat. Mag-birthday message daw ako sa'yo kasi birthday mo daw sa November 20. Anyway, happy birthday, ate. Ano bang ma-wish ko man? I wish na sana maging F1 champion ka na sa badminton. At saka makapasok ka sa Olympics. Charot. Wala akong ma-wish sa'yo kasi ngayon happy ka naman. Contented ka naman. Siguro sana mas maging mabait ka palalo. At saka yung sa health mo na lang siguro. Watch out sa mga kinakain mo, yung diet mo, para yung tuhod mo tatagal pa, para maging F1 ka na talaga. At saka, mag-ingat kayo dyan lagi ni Kuya. Be healthy, be happy, and mag-ingat kayo lagi. Just like what I've said. And see you soon. See you soon. Inshallah, see you soon. Pero huwag kang mag-alala, hindi kita isa-surprise. Ingat kayo lagi and ulit happy birthday. Bye.
And you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it cold, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything. You're a carousel, you're always so well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery, you're from outer space, you're every minute of my every day. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way,
Happy birthday!
and you know that we'll call it.
Happy birthday, Kati. Hindi lang magmarites ka lang yan, ha? Happy birthday, ah.
These crazy times,
Happy birthday, Ate Kat! Wait lang. Ayan, no? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday!
Ayan, naparating na yung birthday celebrant.
Sana 29 years old.
29 years old, batang-bata. Ayan na, ayan. Ayan.
Kati, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Kim. Sana all yung kipain ka man. Happy birthday! Kala mo, happy birthday, ha?
Happy birthday, te. Sana okay ka lang. Happy birthday.
You're from outer space, you're every
Ano balita?
Ano na lang? Picture na lang.
Ay, video ba yan?
Ay, video ba? Ay! Hi, Mayora! Dito kami ngayon sa tignan mo naman kung nasaan kami. Bumibili kami ng gift mo. Happy birthday. Sa birthday mo.
Salaw. Happy birthday, Mayor. Sino mo ba?
Mayor, si Cathy, may
Si Kat ba? Akala ko si May. Happy birthday, Kat. Binabati ka namin ng isang napakatamis na happy birthday. Andito kami ngayon sa NKTI kasi magpapatransplant ako ng kapatid. Pero naalala ko, birthday mo nga pala, November 20. Kaya happy birthday. Sana maging, ngayong dalaga ka na, sana magpakabait ka. Mabait ka na naman. Alagaan mo lagi si Mayor. Huwag mong paghugasan ng pinggan, baka mapasma. Huwag mong paglilinisin ng kubeta, baka magkarayuma. Siyempre, alam mo na, alagaan mo si Mayor at laging masaya ang lahat. Kasi ito, babati pa lang yung ating mission.
Happy birthday, Cathy.
Happy birthday daw. Kaya baka by January, nandiyan na kami sa Jeddah. By January ba? 2025. Ayun itong umalis ako na mag-isa, dalawa daw kami couples for price. Yun lang. Happy birthday at
Happy birthday.
ingat lagi. Okay.
Buhatin mo nga, buhatin mo.
Kaya ano, hindi pa ako Hindi ka pa nag-ano? Galing ako sa trabaho kanina. Parang nagugutom na siya. Ay, kagawa sa...
Tumain na yan.